Day 2. Today we start getting involved with amplifiers, all right, which is really the start and the purpose of the second course. There are 2 electronic courses left for you, okay, this one and the next one. And the difference between them is that this course is going to be all about analog circuits, okay, analog circuits. And the last course is about digital circuits, okay. And the difference between them is the analog circuits are essentially what are used in giving you power and excitation of signal excitation, essentially. They do all of the hard work in an electric circuit. In other words, they actually furnish the power to the sensors or to some other external thing that needs to operate. Okay, so that's the analog circuits, and mainly in analog circuits, there's some V equals IR, Ohm's law, and related stuff that goes along with it. Whereas in digital is, you can say, is a brainy course. Okay, it's a course on how the brains work, and basically, digital course is all about controlling things. Okay, controlling things. In other words, making things go, do the proper things at the proper time. Okay, that's all about how you do it, and it's all the logic that's involved in making a black box function the way it should be. And a black box could be any kind of a electronic signal that's built for a submarine, for example, or an aircraft, or many other moving things. All right, so analog. This course is about analog, and basically analog means that we're going to be looking at how do we transmit information. Okay, how do we transmit information analogically? And the digital course that covers after this is what do we do with that information once we received it? We first of all change it to digital components, and then we can act on that, and then send out signals to the analog circuitry to go do their thing. Okay? So that's what that's all about. So, but today we start with amplification. Amplification means you're going to pick up some small signals, and normally that most sensors have small signals that they deal with, all right? Very small signals, and you have to, in order to be able to do something about it, you have to amplify it. You have to make it stronger so that you can see it or hear it or do something, being able to control something, all right? So amplification is our next stop.